Can't stop, won't stop. Here we are. We're back again with another ThredUp haul. You guys, the thing about ThredUp is when you do a return, you can bank all your money and like they just give you a little credit. That's how you get 100% of your money, quote unquote, back. Otherwise, they like take off a percentage or they charge you a fee, blah, 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 if you want to get like your actual cash back. So it's kind of just like an ongoing game until you completely deplete that credit. Which, I mean, if you guys have seen some of my past ThredUp videos, I don't have the best luck there. If I'm lucky, one item will work. So then, you know, the money just goes back in, and so that's why we're here. Also, sometimes when I'm just a little bit bored at night, I like to go on and play on ThredUp. So that's why we're here again. I'm super excited. I don't really remember what I ordered, so there's that. It's been waiting for me for a week because I was out of town. So let's just unbox, this is a true unboxing and haul. If you guys are unfamiliar, ThredUp is, they claim to be one of the largest, if not the largest online thrifting store. It's a really fun way to it's a really fun way to thrift shop if you either don't have access to a great shop nearby or you just don't want to leave the house. I get it. And yeah, I feel like their prices are always a little bit too high, but they are always, I notice now more than ever, they are always having sales. So never buy at their full price. Again, it's a discounted price because it's secondhand, it's used, but make sure you wait for a sale because there always is one. All right, let's do it. Also, if you guys missed it, last week I put up an Amazon overall review video and I am in love with these. So I will leave the link to that video below if you are looking for a fun overall. All right, let's do it. Because ThredUp has gotten so big, they have warehouses. I don't know this for a fact, but I know that they have several warehouses, which I assume are across the country. And even so, within like California, I'm guessing they have several different warehouses. So that's why the packages come separately. They're not all in one package because they pull from different warehouses around us. I do love these bags. They make it really easy to return. You know, it's just a fun little game I have going with myself, and now you guys are involved. Oh yeah, okay. They do have petite on their site, which I love. This is a Gap skirt in a small petite. I could not for the life of me find the receipt for all this stuff. For some, whatever, it's a long explanation, but I will put the links to all the stuff below. You can see it on, you can see like the original listing. They don't have the prices on there, which is bizarre. But I know that I didn't spend anything because again, I had this credit, which I think was around $60 and all this stuff was on super sale. So this is the first item and it is this Gap petite small skirt. Midi skirt, I'm seeing these being worn a lot. I mean, I feel like these never really go out of style, but coming into fall, I thought this would be a really fun thing to wear. I would love to do like a big chunky sweater tucked in with some, oh, it was cute. So we got this. I guess let's just try this on. I don't know if I bought like outfits. I'm really unprepared today. Usually I'm a little bit more organized, but that's because I open up the packages. So let's just go ahead and throw this on and see where that gets us. Hold on. Is this going to be the first time I have a very successful ThredUp video? History in the making, my friends. Take a look at this. How perfect is this? This is absolutely great. At first I was like, oh no, it's gonna be a little bit too big in here, but we don't need this to be super tight. It's actually very comfortable this way and it allows me room to tuck some stuff in. The shape of it is wonderful. It's lightweight. Putting this down even more so you can really get the full view. The length is fantastic. This is killer. I love this. I want to wear this like all day, every day. How fun. And I'm seeing a lot of people do socks with loafers, and I have the perfect pair. My little naturalizers, my old lady shoes that are so cute. I need to get the right pair of socks for it, but oh my god, guys, I'm so trendy right now. Who am I? Who is she? Look at her. Cute, cute and cute. I love this. I really feel like this is going to be something that I will end up wearing a lot this fall, even now, while it's still hot. So cute, score. Yes, we're doing great. Next, I don't think I've ever really gotten like activewear on ThredUp. For some reason, I find it to be creepy. That's just my own personal preference. It's not. I just like sweating the whole thing. But these were so cute. I don't know how I came across these. And something that I would never pay full price for because Adidas is rather expensive at full price. But these are the Adidas in US small. I just thought this print was just so groovy. So let's give it a go, shall we? I regret this choice. We started off strong. I'm kind of regretting this choice, I think. Okay, hold on. I'm yanking them up. Okay. You know, sometimes now I remember why like super loud printed workout pants are sometimes not the cutest look on me. Here they are. I mean, they're not bad. I guess I need to remember that they would be for workout, not for like going out on the town. I'm also wearing a very fitted cropped tank with them, which is an interesting look. I don't know. I just don't really feel like it's where it's at for me. But hey, girl. Yeah, this is gonna be a pass for me, but I mean, it's nice to know that it's an option that you can get workout clothes. Like, I know they have a lot of Lululemon on there. Like, out of breath just from putting these on. Yeah, they're also not as high-waisted as I would want them to be. So, I mean, do we like these? Maybe in the fall, because we're like falling into fall with a sweatshirt or something, they would be kind of cute. But they're not even like that comfortable, and I feel like they're pretty sheer. So yeah, I think these are going to be a return. But let's see what else we got, because if it's just a one item return, I might hold on to them. Not sure. Let's see. Holding on to the fact that the first skirt was great, so I'm not giving up hope. Ooh, how's that for color coordination? I don't remember this at all. Oh, you know what I did this time? They like have amped up their website, which is really nice because there's so much product on there. It's a little hard to pick through. So you can actually shop by outfit, and then they give you like samples of outfits, and you can click on an item in that picture, and then it takes you to a whole page with like similar inspired by pieces. And so that's what I did for this. I actually thought this was gonna be a lot oranger, but I saw like some outfit put together of a girl in like a orangey, or maybe it was like a red summer dress. And so it inspired me to get this. This was the first one that popped up, and this does not look like it has a brand on it, like a tag on it. But let me jump into it and see if I can find the information. Again, I'll just leave the link so you can take a look. But this looks pretty cutesy tootsy, fresh and fruitsy. Let's do it. Okie dokie, folks, I just looked it up. It's Shein. I don't know why there's no tag on it that says that, but maybe it's for the best. Why I didn't learn from last time that Shein and I just don't really get along, I couldn't say. This isn't that bad. It's actually quite cute, but it's too big on me, I think. Remember I tried on a romper from ThredUp from Shein last time, and it was kind of like the same idea. Like, this is huge. And like, I like actually the top of this. I wonder if my mom would like this. If it had pockets, it would maybe work. In theory, I could get it like taken in, but for a Shein dress, like no way, dude. Like, I don't want to spend any more money. Oh, here's the tag. Yeah, I think this might be the end of my Shein run on ThredUp. I tried. It's tempting because their stuff is cute, even though like their practices are awful. So I figured, okay, secondhand, you know, at least there's that. But I feel like it's time for me to give up. This part is so cute though at the top. So maybe I can find a better brand in a similar cut, and then it would be worth taking in. I like this color a lot though, and obviously it's a fall-esque color, so it's like on its way to working, but not quite there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. But with that color scheme going, I saw this and I thought it was really cute. Now I'm thinking it's going to be way too long on me, but it's new with tags, which I love. And the brand is TOBI, T-O-B-I, which I wasn't familiar with, but I think it's a little bit of a nicer brand because I know this was originally estimated to be a way higher amount than I was expecting. So let's just try this little romper on, shall we? I wanted this to work really bad because I actually think it's very, very cute. I'm digging the color. It's just too long. If there was a petite version of this, it would be great. Guys, I know. I need to learn how to sew because if I did know how to sew, basically there's a seam all the way across here. All I need to do is open that seam and then do one of these little guys. I mean, obviously that's a poor version of it, but like if I took out some of the length in this area, I guess I could belt it. It's kind of cute, but until I learn how to sew, I really don't want to spend money on getting something fixed unless I'm like absolutely in love with it. And this is like falling on the border of that, you know what I mean? It's like I'm almost absolutely in love with it. Love this color though. By the way, as soon as I do these returns, those links down below will then show the item back up for sale. So if there is something that you see and you're like, actually that looked great on me, keep an eye on the links. I will do a return ASAP so that those go back up there. So fair game, go get them. I think this is really, really cute. If I was just like 4 inches taller, even like 2 inches taller, I think it would totally work. I also wasn't sure if this color would work on me, but I think I can pull it off. Good to know for future hunts. Okay, not doing great, guys. Not doing great. But we got one more bag. And I'm just hoping that we score something. Really did start with the best. We started off with a bang, and it was literally all downhill from there. What is it? What is it? Ah, a t-shirt. Always on the hunt for a good t-shirt. You guys know I'm very particular about the fit of my t-shirt. I thought this was really cute, and I believe it's a more of a boxy tee, which I tend to like. Love this color, Los Angeles, California, 1984. I was born in 83, but close enough. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. Let's try it on. It's pretty soft, actually. It's not as soft as I was hoping it was gonna be, but it is soft. The brand is Galt, and it is a 1 size. Give it a try. All right, Galt, whoever you may be, I see you. I see you. This is great. And I put it on with my favorite skirt just so we can remember the good times. These are the 2 keepers. It actually kind of works together as a pair. I don't know exactly how I would style it, but I'm not mad about it. Let me show you the length. It's just a good old t-shirt. The sleeves are a little bit like wide. They're like, hey, but I feel like I'm having trouble folding it on my own, but I do think if I roll it up, it would be a little bit better. Maybe not. I don't know. Are the arms weird or like who cares? It's a t-shirt. Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I like the look of this. This is great. I feel this is a keeper, even if the arms are a little weird. Can always use a great t-shirt to just throw on at all times. So yeah, and you guys know I'm like a huge fan of this color. So okay, not so bad. We did pretty good. 2 out of 5. Not bad, y'all. Not bad at all. Ooh, I finally found the prices. You have to like go to the return section to figure out your prices. So the Shein dress, this dress was originally $8.76. I got it for $6.77, which is insane. That romper, the last romper, was listed at $21.05. I got it for $19. The first price I'm giving you is how they ThredUp listed, not like the estimated original price. So I had gotten that for $19. The leggings, they listed at $18, but I got it on sale for $16. The skirt, they listed it for $18.38, and I got the skirt for $16.39. I love, love that. For some reason, the t-shirt isn't popping up. This website sometimes is a little bit weird and hard to find stuff when you want it and need it, but oh, you know why? This might have been a final sale, so there's just no information on that. So yeah, oh yeah, one final sale item. Doesn't tell me how much it was. Weird. But knowing that, I'm guessing it was like $6 or something. So definitely a score, and I'm glad that it worked. So there you go. Can I style this together? I kind of feel like I can. Let me know how you would style this, and or if you're like, no, 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 in the comments below. I love you guys. Do shop ThredUp. Do enjoy it. I always enjoy reading your comments about it. I feel like the majority of you used to shop it and don't love it as much anymore, but has that flip for you? If you have never tried it, are you interested in trying it? Do these videos help you, or do they like kind of turn you off from the process in general? I don't know. Love to read your conversations down below. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being here. You guys are like my friends who go to try on clothes with me and, you know, change in the changing room across the way, and we like open the door and we're like, okay, does this work? Is this okay? Is this good? Or walk out and go, fail. So I appreciate you being that person for me right now. If you know, you know. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.